Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. Look at these two sentences. I believe you, I believe in you. Which one is correct? And if they both are correct, then what's the difference between these two sentences? This is what we are going to learn in our today's video. I'll tell you how to use believe or believe in a sentence. So please watch this video till the end because this video is going to be really informative for you all. And before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's start our today's video. First, let's understand the meaning of believe. It means to accept that something is true or someone's words are true. Or you can also say that you trust something or someone. For example, I don't believe him. So when you say that you don't believe someone, that means that you don't believe what that person is saying. You don't think whatever he is saying is correct or true. I don't believe Max. He is lying. So this means that you don't believe what Max is saying is true. She didn't believe that I had left the company. So this means that she thinks that this information is incorrect. It's not true. It's hard to believe that she is 80. So this means that, however, she is 80, but you don't think it's true. It's hard to believe that she's 80. He has stolen the jewelry. Believe it or not. Sometimes people use this phrase, believe it or not. So this means something is true, however, it looks unlikely. It doesn't look true, but it is true. He has stolen the jewelry, believe it or not. But it's true. Believe me, I didn't steal the jewelry. Another phrase with believe. Believe me. So we use this phrase believe me when we want to emphasize that something is true. Believe me, I didn't steal the jewelry. So I am trying to emphasize here that I did not steal the jewelry. I believe you. So when I say I believe you, this means that you tell me something, you share some information, you tell me a story, and I think that whatever you are saying is correct. That's true. So I say I believe you. So whenever you use it for a person, I believe you, I believe him, I believe Max, I believe XYZ. This means that you think that whatever the person is saying is true. That's correct. So this way we use believe. Now let's see where we use believe in. It is used in different ways. So its first meaning is to have faith that something exists. When you say I believe in something, that means you think that it exists. However, you might have never experienced it or seen it. For example, if I say I believe in God, this means that I have faith that God exists. However, I have never seen him, but this is my faith that I think that God exists. I don't believe in ghosts. So again, when I say I don't believe in ghosts, this means that I think that ghosts don't exist. Now here, if you say I don't believe ghosts, then there's a difference. In that case, this is grammatically incorrect because when you say that I don't believe ghost, so this means that ghost says something and you think that it's wrong, it's not true. Whatever ghost is saying, you think it's incorrect. That's not the correct information. So that's why this sentence is incorrect. So if you want to say that you don't think that ghost exists, then you will say I don't believe in, not believe, because that's grammatically incorrect. So I don't believe in ghost. I believe in aliens. I believe in parallel universe. They believe in Santa Claus. So this way we use believe in when we talk about something that we think exists. Next, we use believe in when we have trust in the goodness or value of something. When we think that something is right. For example, I believe in working hard. because I think that working hard is really important to get success. One should always work hard. So I believe in working hard. I know the value of working hard. I know it's important. I know it's right. So I believe in working hard to achieve your target. She believes in smart work. So she knows the goodness of smart work. She knows how important smart work is. So she believes in smart work. I believe in regular exercise. I know it's very important. If you want to be fit, then you should do regular exercise. So I know it's right. I know it's important. So I believe in regular exercise. So this way we use believe in when we have the trust in the goodness or value of something. When we say believe in someone, this means to have trust or confidence in someone's abilities. For example, it's difficult to get this job, but I believe in you. This means that I have trust and confidence in your abilities. I know that you can get this job. You're able to get this job. You have those kind of qualities. You can get this job. So I believe in you. You should believe in yourself. Don't be scared of challenges. Challenges are the part of life. Just believe in yourself. This means have trust and confidence in your personality, in your abilities. So believe in yourself. I believe in myself. So this way when we say believe in someone, that means we have the trust in that person's abilities. So now I hope it's clear. When you say I believe you, that means whatever I'm saying, you think that it's correct. And when you say I believe in you, that means you have trust and confidence in my abilities. So this is the difference between I believe you and I believe in you. So I hope it's all clear to you now, and please revise, and if you have any doubts you can always mention in comment section and I'll try to reply to you all. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.